The race for AI dominance, it's on. And while you've got the usual suspects, OpenAI, Google, battling it out, something new is happening. A whole new front has just opened up in one of the biggest markets on the planet. Yeah, we're talking about India, and a brand new challenger is stepping onto the scene.
You see, with a huge population and a tech scene that's just exploding, India isn't just another place to sell AI. No way. It's the key battleground for what's next in artificial intelligence. And trust me, the big players, they know this, and they've already got a massive head start.
Okay, get ready for this number. 100 million. Just let that sink in. That's how many people are using ChatGPT in India every single week. It's just a staggering number, right? It shows you just how deep the roots of these global giants already are.
And the scale of this is just massive. I mean, OpenAI is clearly leading the pack, but even other big names, like Anthropic with their model Claude, well, India is their second biggest market in the world, right behind the US. So here's the big takeaway. This isn't some market that's just starting to wake up. It's a full-on, fiercely competitive arena already dominated by the international heavyweights.
But into that very arena, a new local challenger has just stepped through the ropes. They're ready to take on the giants, and they're fighting on home turf.
So let's meet them. Sarvam AI. They were only founded last year, and their entire game plan is built on one crucial local advantage. They're building AI models specifically for India. What does that mean? Well, they're not just taking an existing model and translating it. No, they're training it from scratch on India's incredibly diverse languages and cultural contexts. It's a smart strategy, right? It's all about capturing those little nuances that a global model might totally miss. And the pace they're moving at, it's just remarkable. So they get founded in 2023, and boom, they quickly raise $41 million from some huge names. We're talking Lightspeed and Khosla Ventures. Then, by early 2024, not even a year later, they've already launched their first product to the public, the Indus chat app. I mean, that is moving at lightning speed.
So how exactly are they planning to make their mark? Well, it all hinges on their first big product launch. Think of it as their signature move, the thing designed to grab everyone's attention.
This is the Indus app. It's the public face of their pretty powerful 105 billion parameter model. Right now, it's in beta, but you can get it on iOS, Android, and the web. And it's all about being easy to use. You can literally talk to it, and it talks right back. It takes your questions through text or speech and answers you in both formats, too. The catch? For now, it's only for users in India.
And using it is designed to be super simple. You just sign in with your phone or Google account, whatever. Then you just type or speak your question. Bam! You get an instant response in text, and then you hear it play back in audio. It's this really smooth, seamless way of interacting.
But, launching something this big, it's never a perfectly smooth ride. And because it's a brand new app still in beta, Indus is definitely facing some of those classic rookie hurdles.
Yeah, being in beta basically means you're trying to balance cool new features with some real-world limits. So on one hand, having it on all platforms with audio is awesome. But on the other hand, there are some snags, like you can't delete your chat history right now. There's also this feature for reasoning that uses a lot of power, and you can't turn it off. And maybe the biggest thing for users, access is still pretty restricted.
To their credit, the company is being super open about all this. One of the co-founders, Pratush Kumar, basically said, hey, we're rolling this out slowly because our computing power is limited. That means, yeah, you might get put on a wait list for a bit. But they've promised to open it up to more people as they grow. It's that classic startup problem, right? Trying to manage all the excitement while you're still building the plane.
Okay, so it's really important to zoom out for a second. This isn't just about one chat app. The Indus launch, you should think of it as the opening move in a much, much bigger chess game for India's entire digital future.
Sarvam is really riding the front of a huge new wave here. They're just one of several Indian startups that are all trying to build their own local alternatives to the big global AI platforms. This is all part of a larger national strategy, really, for India to get more control over its own AI and digital systems.
And believe me, Sarvam's vision goes way beyond just this one app. They've already teamed up with HMD, the folks that make Nokia phones, to put AI on feature phones. Think about that. That's a massive untapped market in India. Plus, they're working with Bosch to put AI in cars. So from business software to actual hardware, every single move they make is about weaving their AI deep into the fabric of the Indian economy.
So this all brings us to the big question, the ultimate question, really. On one side, you have these global giants with practically unlimited resources. And on the other, you have a local champion built specifically for its home crowd and moving at an incredible speed.
In this high-stakes game for the future of AI, can a David, one that was built in and for India, actually win?